Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of mirrored crystal candle holders. And so what you're going to need some of these Angel's Tears pendants. These are crystal pendants from Efavormart. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need either some gold bling wrap or silver bling wrap. Both of these are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these asymmetrical tea light holders. It's a little bit taller in the back than it is in the front, but if you can't find these, you can use any shape you'd like. You're going to need 2 of these octagonal mirrors from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a set of these napkin rings, so you'll need 2 of them. They come in a pack of 4 or 6, I can't remember exactly. But anyway, you'll need a pack of those napkin rings. You're also going to need some of this foam board. And this comes in a large sheet from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using this scrap board first, and when I run out of it, I'll switch to a new sheet. But first I'm going to use up my scrap foam board. So you will need that from Dollar Tree as well. I am going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if there's any components you'd like to make permanent in this project, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these crystal and mirrored candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give my video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.